My name is Michael Hergstetter, and I am a project and product manager at Engineering in Germany. Our company specializes in positioning and drive technology. We handle customer-specific projects from development to production and assembly. We label and engrave the components ourselves. Until now, this was always done by an outside company. However, we were bothered by this because we require a certain level of precision and visual quality for our products. It is important to us that we now have this capability in-house. This makes us fast and flexible, and it allows us to control the quality ourselves. The Trotec laser impressed us because it delivers the expected quality. Additionally, the Trotec sales team was open to discussion, and we were able to integrate our own products. In practice, integrating our motorized rotary tables proved very easy. Even if something didn't work, someone was there immediately. We were always very satisfied with this. Our contact person is experienced in applications and quickly brought our components to a level of quality that convinced us immediately. The laser was delivered to us, and integrating it into our production process was relatively quick and easy. We engrave several thousand pieces each year, so the laser has become an integral part of our production process. In any case, our throughput time has improved. We have become faster and more agile for our customers. We are more independent, so our production runs more smoothly. Laser marking is more precise and resistant to aging than alternatives, such as stickers, making it better suited to our products. Our products have become more attractive because we can replace stickers with beautiful laser engravings. We don't just engrave. We also want black lettering with the highest possible contrast, which stands out well on our components. We have achieved this with the Trotec laser. Close support from sales and proximity to the Trotec company were very important to us. Thanks to our local contacts, we can act quickly when we need anything. I would definitely recommend Trotec and its lasers. We are completely satisfied with the laser, its quality, the Trotec staff, and the company itself.